So today's video will be all about the Separett Tiny. It's our new toilet. We're going to show you how we installed it and how to make it ready for the first use. Ta-da! Here it is. Yay! So we're now first going to show you how we removed our old cassette toilet. And then you see how we installed the new one. We got some help from our friends of Twiga Travel Cars with removing the old toilet and with installing our new one. If you have any further questions about this whole process, just drop us a message and yeah, we'll reply. Alright, I'm just going to show you how you make the Separett Tiny ready for the first use. I have these compostable waste bags which are made especially for the Separett Tiny. And what you do, you first lift up the lid and then the seat. And then here you see the concealing flaps. You also lift up these. And then you take out the whole waste container. Well, normally when it's full, you take off the rim, take out the full bag, which you then throw away. But now we're gonna make it ready for the very first use. So I'm just having a new bag here. So you put it in like this. Then you put the rim back on, which is quite tight to keep the bag in place. And then you put the whole bucket back in. And that's it. And then you close it all again. 1, 2, and then the lid. And then that's it. Then you're ready to go. So that was it, guys. This was our video about our new Separett Tiny. I hope you liked it, and I hope it was of any use. Yeah, if you have any questions about us, let us know. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.